Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing a bike check, but first I need to put the clip in from a few days ago of me installing my new tires. Alright guys, so I'm here with Coleman and I got my new Maxxis tires and I'm going to put them on my bike tires, and I have Maxxis tires on my MTB and they are nice. Did I get some stickers or something? Dang! Whatever,
You got a koozie?
I don't think this is a koozie.
What is it?
You're asking the wrong...
Oh, it's a wallet.
Yeah, Sam's BMX shop.
Did you get that for free?
I didn't put it in my basket, so it must be for free. All right, let's put them on. Now. All right, so now we have the Maxxis tires on. This bike, I've pretty much upgraded every part on it since that bike check you guys saw last time. So I guess let's start up on the handlebars. I have AODI grips again. Total Hangover H2 bars. I don't know the exact angles and everything, whatever you call it, but I know it's a 825 rise, which is a lot shorter than the bars that I was running. And the old bars that I was running were 9 flat rise, but I just added a few more spacers to make up for that. So then I have a Kink BMX stem, which is the same one as last time. My fork is the Total Hangover as well. Sorry, that thing is on as well, but same fork, same stem. I have a Colt Doomsday peg. I mean, you don't need to upgrade pegs that often, but front wheel is totally new. It is a Profile Mini hub in the front with USA brand titanium spokes, just normal nipples, black, a Alienation Skylark rim with a Maxxis Grifter tire, and then we also have a Tubolito ultralight tube in there. So I upgraded my whole front wheel pretty much and handlebars. This frame, okay, and then I also have the same headset ramp thing here. Headset. This frame is that purple one from the last bike check, but it's rawed. We clear coated it, and my friend Coleman rode it for a little bit, but it is bad now. Like you can see, the rust is taking it over. I'm gonna get my black frame back very soon. But now let's move to the cranks. We have Stamp 1 pedals, small for my friend. I'm gonna upgrade those as well because they're a little bit small for my foot, but I might not. Colt Crew cranks, 170 mil. A Bully USA sprocket, 28 tooth. As you can see right there, it's snapped because my bolt went from here out. Odyssey bottom bracket. There's the other crank arm. Can't see, it says Colt right there. And then my seat is a Total BMX Total Team seat, one piece to lighten it up a little bit. We still have the Odyssey Bluebird chain, and then my back wheel is a Profile Mini cassette hub male axle because I got a custom complete wheel from Source BMX. So it came with Source spokes, which are just normal spokes, and then it comes with a Cinema 888 rim. Can't get a good angle on that. This wheel is a little bit more hefty. I'm gonna be getting tie spokes on it and hub guards. So then I also have another Colts Doomsday peg over there. And then in the back we have another Tubolito ultralight tube with a Maxxis Grifter. So I don't know how much my bike weighs right now. It's definitely lighter than what it was. It's not as light as I want to get it because after I get the tie spokes, I'm most likely I might get a tie spindle for my cranks, and probably gonna get female axle or tie driver, maybe both. Does sound really good though. You can see all the rust. Because I had to go through a puddle, and there's so much rust on my bike right now, and the raw frame isn't helping. And I do sometimes run brakes. Right now I'm brakeless. I'll put in a clip of me in the garage showing you my brake setup. All right, guys, so I'm in my garage here now. So my brake calipers are the Odyssey Evolver brake, Evo 2.5s. They're right here. I was running them, took them off for a little bit with the Odyssey Slim by 4 clear pads. It came with black pads, but and my brake mounts are in here. Washers, like accessories for these brakes. Nothing too special in there. Like a, whatever this is, it's like a straddle cable thing with a straight cable. And then my gyro is a Kink DMX Madrid gyro. It was actually my friend Coleman's, and then he dumped it. He like fell off his bike into a creek trying to do like a tree, like a skinny across a tree. Got filled with sand. I fixed it, and he's like, keep it. So then my uppers is an Odyssey M2 or not M2. I think it's just, I don't know what it's called, but it's just like the standardized uppers. It's single to dual, and then I have an S&M gyro plate, which is pretty standard. I was gonna get like I don't know which one I was gonna get. I think probably the Kink one, but they were out. And then my lever is the Odyssey M2 lever in short. So that's that. And then my lower gyro cables are the not Odyssey, Snafu Astroglide cables. And then with the Evo NARPs and the NARP that it came with, because I lost one of my Evo NARPs, sadly. But all this stuff works really well for brake tricks. I'm not really running brakes because, I'm a little bit, I don't know, a little bit annoying. I just have a bunch of stickers and stuff in here. And then, yeah, so, there's my mountain bike. My mountain bike as well, wheelie, everything. But yeah, there it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.